So once again, there is yet another update of custom ROM. This one is crDroid based on latest Android 16 QPR2. This one is 12.7, having few of the extra optimizations and so on in the backend, but no major UI changes with this new update. In case you are not aware of, crDroid is based on latest Android 16 QPR2, and while making this video, it is not based on, LineageOS is not available based on QPR2 officially, I'm talking about. But crDroid is already here, so having some extra features, some customizations, and if you're a fan of crDroid, if you might have ever used this custom ROM, you already know that this custom ROM is one of the most stable custom ROMs out there, especially the official one. It is being supported for many devices from a long time now, and if your device supports crDroid, you might be getting this update very soon. What about the features and things you get in this one? As it is based on the latest Android 16 QPR2, so all the QPR2 features are already here. Let me show you some of the things. For example, if I move on to miscellaneous options, you have the option to choose keybox and so on, which is quite useful in some scenarios. So also have some security bypass features, like we have the option for unlimited photo storage also there. We have the option for higher FPS in games and so on. Sidebar features are also there, basically sidebar customizations and so on. So all the useful things which you are looking forward to already present in this case. And if you have working keybox available, you can import that and you will be able to pass integrity. If you have the keybox which lets you pass device and basic, good. If you have any keybox available which lets you pass strong integrity, it's absolutely fine. So it's completely up to you. All the options are already available and you don't need to root your device to do these kind of things. Let me remind you some of the other things. For example, as it is based on QPR2, as I just told you, so simply means we have this themed icons option available, including that icon shape. Let me again remind you that this icon shape is a different thing as compared to the normal icon shapes present in most of the custom ROMs. This icon shape lets you change icon shape only on the home screen, not in the app drawer. But if you want to change those icons in the app drawer also, the option is already available in crDroid settings from some time now. We already have extra features, but some things which actually I was missing. For example, lock screen widgets, unfortunately not present. Quite strange, but it's not there. So most likely we will not see this in LineageOS also. That is not available in this case. If you miss lock screen widgets, you cannot use that. In some custom ROMs it's present, in some custom ROMs it's not there. We have some changes in some other things. For example, as it is based on QPR2, so in dark theme, we have that expanded dark theme option available. In some custom ROMs, it doesn't make sense much, but available, just wanted to let you know. Widget section has a new UI implemented, that's good. Like we have two sections available now, featured and browse, and it's available with QPR2. If you're using the previous version that was based on QPR2 12.6, I'm talking about, this is almost a similar update, only with the latest security update of February 2026. Nothing much. We have home screen customizations, the launcher and similar kind of things. No extra things added, no extra customizations added. Same options as compared to the previous update. Already have good UI. If you move on to the quick settings panel also, some options to configure and so on. Like some modern custom ROMs, some of the things are not available in this case. For example, if you enable the sound tile and volume tile in this case, because in some custom ROMs we have the option like nothing OS style, ringer style. In this case, it is not available. We have the option for sound and volume kind of thing. So if you want to place that on the quick settings panel, you can do that. Simply move on here to switch between silent mode and ring mode and so on. The option is present, but not with nothing OS style, which is completely okay. If you are having no issues with these kind of things, it's completely fine. Everything else is just kind of similar. So these were things just wanted to let you know. I hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure to drop a like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more custom ROM videos. Thanks for watching.